In this video, we will be creating a custom floating window for the compiler status, as the existing compiling icon is very hard to see. Using the editor script, we will be creating this window. I have already created this script to demonstrate you. I have named this script custom compile window. We are using this custom script to call editor application.isCompiling. We are using a namespace Unity editor and inheriting from editor window and adding an entry in the menu using menu item example / custom compile window. In the init method, we are getting the window and calling window.show. And in the on GUI, we are checking for editor application.isCompiling, and accordingly we are displaying it using this .repaint. Switching back to Unity, the last icon in the corner shows the progress detail or the compiling status. We have created the alternate of this. Open example and select custom compile window. And this is the floating window we have created using the script. And I am going to dock it at the bottom right corner, so we can also verify the status with that icon. Now let's try making some changes in the script. So when we will save it and come in the Unity will recompile it. And our new custom window will print yes if it's in the compiling mode. Switching back to Unity, and it's compiling and we have the status of yes. Once the compiling will finish, it will print no, and the corner circle icon will back to its default icon. And that was a small tweak in the editor. I hope this video helps you. If you have any question, you can always ask me. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next.